Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to get right into it with this clean and decorate with me for Christmas. You guys follow along for the ride. So on this day, I will be starting in my kitchen. I will be changing over all of the fall decor to our winter, which will be candy cane and gingerbread theme. I couldn't figure out how to style this vase. I ended up going back in my bin after the video was over and re-putting in some more stems of berries, just kind of making it fuller than what it appears to be in this video. I don't do too much to my dining room. I kind of just make it very simple. I usually keep out the same dish and just change out the things that's inside, and it just works for me. I decided to change my color. These are more like a salmon color. Also depends on the paint color, which more tones it'll bring out, but I think it's really pretty in here. So kind of goes with my rug that's on the floor because it has like little bits of light, like pinkish tone. But yeah, I decided to change those out as well for the holiday. Might keep them up, who knows. So y'all, let me tell you about this tree. I got this tree maybe, it's been a long time. It's been years. You cannot find a tree this big. Mind you, it doesn't come with lights and you have to attach every branch. But you cannot find a tree this big for under $200 anymore. When I got this tree, I literally paid $99. Do I have to wrap the lights on every year? Do I have to go branch by branch? Yes. But is it worth it? Most definitely. It's huge, it's full, and it's a beauty. As you see by the change of clothes, this is the second day. I had so much going on the day before that I just could not get things done. So today the main focus is to attach the garland to the staircase and just wrap up a few odds and ends. As I rewatch this video, I do not understand why the stockings were such a challenge to put up, but they were. I have 6 stockings. I'm still missing one, but I got most of them up. And the spacing and the angle, it was a lot, but we figured it out.